Good morning, students. We are going through the verb series, and the topic we are going to see today are finite and non-finite verbs. A finite verb functions as a main verb in a sentence. It shows tense and agreement with the subject. For example, we study, we studied, we will study, we will be, studying. Like you can see, we study, we studied, we will study, we will be studying. So a simple sentence has one finite verb. A finite verb makes a sentence complete. So now let's see more examples of finite verbs. So I have two sentences here. Now let's read the sentence. Sarah jumps from the stairs. They jump from the stairs. So the verb in these two sentences are jumps, jump. Now in these two sentences, the base verb jump portray a tense. What tense? It is present tense. So the subject is Sarah, singular, and in this sentence, they, plural. So the verb agree with the subject. Let me explain it one more time. I have two sentences here, and let me read it again. Sarah jumps from the stairs. They jump from the stairs. So the main verb here is jumps, jump. So the jumps and jump, the verb portray, they indicate a tense which is present tense, and they agree to the subject which is Sarah, which is singular, and they, which is plural. So in these two sentences, the verb agree with the subject. And this is how the finite verbs work. So the verb jumps, jump is a finite verb. Let's see more example. So now let's read the sentence here. Sarah jumped from the stairs. They jumped from the stairs. So what are the main verbs here? Jumped, jumped. So jumped represent a tense again, and this time the tense is past tense. What tense? It is past tense. So the verb changes according to the grammatical tense, person, and number. So the base verb represent tense and agree with the subject. So such verbs are known as finite verbs. I hope you're clear. So finite verb makes a complete sentence, and they indicates a tense and agree with the subject. So I hope you're clear. Now let's move on to the non-finite verbs. So now let's see about a non-finite verb. So a non-finite verb does not show tense. For example, she asked us to study. I hope my handwriting is clear to you all. So the sentence is, she asked us to study. So here in this sentence, asked is a finite verb, and so F is finite verb, and study is a non-finite verb. Why? Because asked, it represents a past tense, whereas study, it doesn't show or indicate any tense. So hence it's a non-finite verb, and asked is a finite verb. I hope you're clear. So a non-finite verb cannot stand alone as the main verb in a sentence. A non-finite verb cannot stand alone as a main verb in a sentence. For example, my brother is cleaning his car. So in this sentence, cleaning is a non-finite verb, because in this sentence there is no main verb, and since it's an incomplete sentence, so we always add a helping verb to make a non-finite verb to make it finite. For example, we studying. In this sentence, studying is a non-finite verb, so we add a helping verb, we are studying. So now the sentence is complete, and as I told you, the non-finite verb cannot stand alone as a main verb, and to make it finite, we add a helping verb. I hope you're clear now, and let's see some more examples. Now I have two sentences again. Sarah likes to jump, they like to jump. So the verbs in this sentence are likes, like, jump, jump. So like, likes, it's a finite verb because it not only portray or indicates the tense and also agree with the subject. Now the other verb, jump, jump, it's also a verb, but it does not agree with the subject and it doesn't indicate any tense. So these are called non-finite verb. So like, likes, like is a finite verb as it indicates the tense and agree with the subject, and jump is a non-finite verb as it doesn't indicate any tense or agree to the subject. Let's see one more example. Now look into these two sentences. Sarah liked to jump, they like to jump. So in this sentence, the verbs are liked, liked, jump, jump. So as usual, liked is a finite verb as it represents a tense which is past tense and agree to the subject, and jump, it's a non-finite verb. It does not indicate any tense and do not change with the subject. The subjects are Sarah and they. So I hope you're clear and understand the difference between finite and non-finite verb. So that's all for today. See you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.